Welcome back. Starting things off a little bit differently tonight. This is actually a recording. I wanted to show you the whole thing with regard to this storm system. It was a big one. It was large and in charge, but that is no longer the case. It's starting to thin out now. Actually, we just have the remnants moving through as this system has dissipated, but it left behind some hail and some other product. It did not leave behind any tornado damage, though. No tornadoes in the area. Precipitation amounts, about an inch or more in Danville, 0.8 of an inch in Champaign. Down in Robinson, actually this just happened. They had a little bit of rainfall just in the last hour, so they had 1/20 of an inch, but the amounts were very widely scattered, as this precipitation slide well illustrates. Futurecast for this evening. We will have clouds moving in and out. They're moving out there, clear at 2 o'clock in the morning, if anyone's up at that hour. And then by midday tomorrow, you're going to have some brilliant sunshine to deal with, but it will be windy tomorrow. Overnight tonight, the winds will pick up, even with the gradual clearing, a low of 53. But look at those wind gusts, up to 30 miles per hour. Let's take a look at the winds for tomorrow. They'll tell you a little something. We have winds from the southwest initially, and that's because we're going to have warm temperatures. In fact, the warm temperatures are because of this. Gusts of up to 25 miles per hour at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then by the noon hour, gusts picking up, but they're from the west, and that's more of a neutral temperature wind, and that will keep our temperatures where they start. Our gust projections for the mid-afternoon about the same as the noon hour, and then you see a wind shift, the direction from the northwest, and that's going to bring down some cold air. In fact, the overnight low Thursday night, 25 or so, which is illustrated by what we're seeing with regard to the temperatures for tomorrow. Here's the movement. There's not much movement at all initially, as indicated. 56 will be the high. That'll be around the noon hour. Temperatures remain fairly steady, but once those winds switch to from the northwest, you see a rapid drop, 42 degrees, just a little bit after sunset. Now there will be a rebound. After that overnight low Thursday night of 25, we're up to 40 on Friday. That's still below normal, though. Saturday, we're up to 49 degrees, winds from the southwest at about 10 miles per hour. That's more normal. And Sunday, the winds are still relatively light and variable, calm certainly. 56, which is almost a repeat of last Sunday's weather, and I hope the pelicans and the seagulls enjoy that around our area lakes. But currently, we're actually seeing a little bit of the sun trying to peek through at the end of the day. And our current conditions include 53 degrees and light rain here in Charleston, southwest winds at about 10 miles per hour, and our visibility improving now to 10 miles out. Our 7-day outlook, we're looking at a circumstance where we're going to be above normal temperature-wise once again after we dip down on Friday. Of course, a very windy day tomorrow with a high of 54, but we're back up in the 50s and 60s next week, although we do have a possibility of rainfall on Monday and Wednesday. Speaking